Last, I have the original Prusa MK4. Its superior build quality and top-of-class print production easily earn it a place in the top 5 best 3D printers currently available. Now, let's dive into what this beautiful printer can do. Prusa's MK4 delivers unbelievable print quality with some of the best precision and detail you'll see from any 3D printer on the market. Part of the quality upgrade is thanks to its upgraded extruder with 32-bit buddy board. The 32-bit buddy board has fast print speeds and improved motor controls, which results in, you guessed it, better prints. Even when you add more complex calculations to your instructions, you can expect amazing results. Now, another great feature is the fully automatic calibration system. This takes the guesswork out of bed leveling and nozzle alignment so that no matter what you are printing, the MK4 will adjust to give you the best possible results. The MK4 also has removable, flexible print sheets, making it simple to pop your prints off without damaging them. This user-friendly addition saves time and is a huge plus for beginners who are new to 3D printing and are still learning. And if you're experienced with 3D printers, you'll be happy to know the MK4 is also available as a kit. So you can assemble it yourself and get familiar with every single component. Now, some people find this tedious, but it can be super fun for people who love engineering. Overall, the original Prusa MK4 earns its spot at the top for being a well-rounded, user-friendly machine that delivers top-notch results. If you're looking for a printer that checks all of the most important boxes, the original Prusa MK4 is one of the best that there is. And if you guys like this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like. And be sure to check out the description to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.